Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's we are going to upload our files in the GitHub using the GitHub Desktop. So, so we are opening the GitHub Desktop first of all. This one, okay. We have to first clone our repository that I already created a repository here, badminton underscore dataset, which is private. Okay, so now I'm going to clone this badminton underscore dataset. Okay, so I'll choose the path I want to here, create a new folder, name git. Okay, select that folder and clone. Let's give it some time. Okay, so this is clone completed. So a git folder have badminton underscore dataset folder. So this is clone, right? We have one readme file here, and in this folder we have already one file. So now, okay, so we have to upload the file here. Like I want to copy this and upload it on the GitHub. So I want to paste it over here inside this folder and open the GitHub desktop. Here the requirement.txt is uploaded, which is this one file. Okay, so open it, notepad. Already we have these MediaPipe, Ultralytics, Python. So in the GitHub desktop we have same these libraries. Okay, so now we have to commit in main and push it over the GitHub. Okay, let's give it some time to this. Okay, now we'll refresh this GitHub. So our requirement.txt is pushed to our GitHub profile.